Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, you already know those housemates, they don't like each other. They just tolerate each other, but they do have a better relationship, especially the Bananda girls compared to Thandeka, guys. When it comes to Thandeka, they really don't like each other, guys. You can see Udidi and Thandeka, Uliema and Thandeka, they just hate each other. Right now, it is better when it comes to Thandeka and King Wanda. They do. Yesterday, after the pool party, Thandeka and Melly went straight to the bed. So, Thandeka and Melly, they were having a conversation. Thandeka telling Melly she's not going anywhere. She's here to stay. She needs those girls, all of them, the housemates, to nominate each other. Because if you have watched the Monday nomination, everybody was just nominating Thandeka and Q. What we are waiting for on Monday nomination, guys. We want to see all of them in top 10. I'm not sure who's leaving this coming Sunday. People are saying between King Wanda, Tracy, and Ilano, guys. But for King Wanda, I wish King Wanda can stay, guys. King Wanda is giving us drama, the prophet. I love King Wanda, guys. I can't wait to see Abu Didi on top 5, guys. I feel like Abu Didi, she's going on top 5. So also Thandeka, she needs to understand that there will be a time where she also needs to nominate guys. If she's going to top 2, there will be a time where she needs to do that, guys. There's no way she can just nominate other people and leave Umeli, guys. And people are saying, when it comes to Thandeka and Melly, someone needs to leave to save someone. Maybe Umeli can leave to save Thandeka, guys, because there are people that are saying they are sharing votes between Thandeka and Melly. So for Thandeka to be saved, Umeli needs to leave. Unlike Liema, guys, Uliema, she's the queen, she's standing alone. I saw something on Twitter saying Uliema she has 10 million votes this week, guys, alone. Udidi, she has 1 million. I just saw somewhere on Twitter, guys. I'm just gonna put here on my video for you to see, guys. And people are saying the reason why Thandeka and Melly, Thandeka, she's not performing is because they are sharing vote with Melly. So Melly needs to leave so that Thandeka, she can be saved. So guys, what do you think about this? Because the only 2 people that are going to top 10, obviously it is Dawn and Ashe, guys. As for those 9 people, they are not safe, guys. Some people are saying, Bravo B is doing so well. Some are saying, Q, guys, I've seen Q. I think Q is sitting on 2 million views. If this thing is correct, guys, we don't know. One time with the internet, everything is AI, guys. So people are saying a lot of stuff when it comes to this. We cannot wait to see who's taking the 2 million. I really don't care. Anyone can take the 2 million. When you take the 2 million, it means that God knew value, you deserve the 2 million rand. So anyway, guys, tell me in comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.